What's up, guys? You know me, Servant King. Welcome back to another video, and I'm going to teach you today how to add a thumbnail to a YouTube video. And I've already kind of prepared this, and I'm just, going to be doing some basic stuff. So what I use is this right here. And this website is very good and free, of course, because I don't spend much money on YouTube, and I know I'm talking really fast, and I probably should slow down for y'all. But I've already tried making this video once, and I was confused by YouTube's new ways, but I figured it out today. And you use YouTube Thumbnail, of course, and then you can, what I like about them, of course, is you can get free photos from them or upload from your old gallery. But, just for the sake of time being, I'm going to upload an old thumbnail of mine. And I'm going to upload, so I had to do some stuff for some people a while back, so there's a bunch of thumbnails. I'm going to upload this thumbnail. We're going to upload it, and let's go. So I'm going to be showing you from one of my old videos how to use one of my old videos for this video. So you're going to need, you can use multiple things. I use some stuff. You can also follow me at Serpent King 4646 or sorry, unprepared. Just find me at Serpent King, and you can find me on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. And we're going to go to YouTube here. And you can just like search things up on Google, like search up Serpent King. And you just go to images. And you can, like just take a picture, screenshot it, and then bring it here. Of course, I'm not going to need any of this because I did this before. This right here is just extra for me. Okay, because I've used this before. You don't want these get in the way of your photos. And I used the text here, right here. Come on. You have a text feature, and you can just add a bunch of things. See? And then you can click it, add it, blah, blah, blah. But I don't need any of that, and of course I've already got this set up, so that's one way. And this is basically how you do it. And if you want to change the thing, you can go to a place and you can upload from your gallery on your laptop. Of course, this is for computers only, and you can you can find this on Google pretty easily. I'll leave a link in the description along with my socials where you can follow me at. I do post a lot more on Insta and Facebook, and a little on Twitter every once in a while. But if you want to find me, really, hit me up on either of those. More likely, you'll get a response from me on Facebook or instead of Twitter. I have to start checking that more, but yeah, you see this? You can just, move it around a little, and then bam. And I've already used this for a thumbnail, so we're going to go here. Okay, I got a little shocked at first on how to work it. We're going to go to Studio Beta. Okay, because it's a little confusing now how they switch it up with YouTube. So for all you guys who are confused like I was originally, will easily be redeemed by YouTube. And they have this new thing where blah, blah, blah. But I'm going to go down to Classic Studio down in the very corner that we can see. We're just going to skip this because I've already told them what I found wrong with it. It's just showing a bunch of my negatives currently because I haven't posted in a while, and I will work on the post more. Comment in the comment section if there's anything you want more of, or if I didn't explain right enough for you guys, and I'll try to explain it in the comments. Please like and subscribe just to keep the channel alive. And don't forget to hit the bell button to get notified. And I'm trying to have a little more energy because things have been going good in life lately. But here we go. How to make an edit, and we're going to edit that. Yeah, some of my video, and we've done great on videos lately, in my opinion. We're going to go down to thumbnail, and we're going to change, and we can change thumbnail image, and of course, like I showed you, we're going to, let's go to an old download. Voila. And then you can just click this here. And voila. See? And then it just uploads itself to the video, giving you a thumbnail, guys. And, of course, you just leave your things and edits. So, thank you guys for watching this. And I'll see you guys next time in another video. And peace out.